right, so today we are on our way out of town a little bit. Got Paul with me.
Yay!
And we are going to go try and pick us up a new car. Now it's a little different than what's been displayed on the channel so far.
Yeah,
but
it's of my era, so I'm excited.
And it's the same as my first car, but a little older.
When I was an apprentice, these were new. I got to do PDIs on these cars. I might have done this one.
Well, maybe we'll see. It is from Ontario.
Oh no, if it came from ACOC. That's a Appalachian Cadillac.
Oh, yeah. Well, anyway, we're gonna go have a look at it. Once we get there, you'll find out what it is. Unless I put it as the title. I guess we'll find out. This is gonna be the worst ride all the way there. I don't know if you can see the sway.
Oh yeah, you can see the C-pillar coming in.
Look at the trailer in the mirror. If you can see it, that's why we're jiggling. When there's no vehicle on these dollies, they like to hop.
Hey, did you know that 82.4% of all statistics are made up on the spot?
Is that one of them?
Yep. It's funny because it's true.
They said to look for the one tall pine tree. I see it. We're getting there. We'll see the car in a moment. So here is what we picked up. It's a little rough, but we'll make it nice. I had a 1987 Cutlass, and my friend showed me this one, and I had to have it, and the wife said it's okay. So we're gonna bring this one back home, and this is gonna be the new project. The steering wheel locked up, and it's nice interior, just the headliner sagging. We'll deal with that, but she's straight, frame's not rotted like how they normally do. No rust holes in the body, little dents and stuff, but what do you get for an 83? So this is the new project. All right, so it's been a day since I got the Cutlass, and I went searching for my old Cutlass wheels. This one doesn't have a center cap, and the other one also doesn't, but two of them do. Looking for them. This place is a mess, but don't worry, it's full of treasures. So we got Cutlass wheel, Cutlass wheel, Cutlass wheel, and that one other I showed you. So tomorrow I'm going to try and put these on at work. See what it looks like on the car. All right, so today I'm going to work again. It's Friday, and Cutlass is coming with me again, mainly because I haven't been able to push it off the trailer by myself since it doesn't start up yet. But I've got my rally wheels. Let's see if I can open up the trunk so you can see them. Slippery. It's like minus 25 out right now. But so these are what I'm going to be putting on today, hopefully, if I get the chance. But also hopefully today I get to push off the trailer. But this car shouldn't take too much to get running. I'll get like video of underneath the hood and stuff, and go from there in a bit. Just don't have too much time yet. So I got the wheels on it. Kind of did a little bit of valve lash, not too much. Put a carb on it. Crudely put stuff together. Checking for power at the distributor now. Nothing?
Yeah. No, you go power.
Okay, now is the other one there. The other 3-proner.
Yeah.
And Hydrolock. Holy fuck. Someone get the fire extinguisher.
Yep. Ready? Yep. Here, do it again.
Carburetor's stone dry. So.
It's coughing. That's a sign. Okay, so we were tearing into this engine by we as in my friends there. Anyway, they found this. I probably never would have found this out because I'm not a pushrod V8 guy. I am like lifter on cam guy. So anyway, this one's a little bent. You can't twist it. The other ones you can twist. But to get this into the lifter, it wedges itself. So if you look, the guy that we bought these from never ran these. So there's like clean, surface rust from sitting with no oil on it. And then the slight little bit of rubbing there. And that was from us trying to start it. And we were trying to set the valve lash. I have to try and find myself a set of push rods and try this again. We'll go through the engine a little bit and see what else we have to do, but fucking mint. All right, well, while I'm walked to my mailbox, I'll give a rundown about this car. So back way in 1987, my dad bought a 1987 Cutlass Salon, basically one step down from the 442. So it wasn't a 442, so it had the 305 instead of 307, but it had like everything else a 442 had, except it had the chrome around the bottom. That ended up being my first car, and it sat in the garage for a long time, and I had to replace this steering column, tires, fuel pump, and gas tank. And well, after a bit of driving, it burnt down, and I can't remember if it's on this channel or my other channel, but there's a video of it burning down. So if you look through my videos, you'll find it. So recently I found another Cutlass that looked like it would be in okay condition, so I went out and looked at it and bought it, and that was one that is on the channel now. So that car is a little bit of a soft spot. I mean, it's not exactly like the other one that I had, but I mean, it's damn near close enough. And so basically the story behind it, of what I've been told, was he bought it from his friend that needed to get rid of it for some reason, and he put an engine in it and did head gaskets. So he ended up selling it to him, and he didn't touch it for the whole year that he had it. So he tried setting the valve lash and gave up. And then I ended up buying it a year later. So I went to go set the valve lash with my coworkers there. And while I was working on something else, they came up to me and they're like, hey, these are the wrong push rods. These are too wide for this. They were literally like just narrow enough to fit in the push rod holes, but they do not line up good with the lifters. So what I'm gonna have to do now is try and find some push rods. We're gonna try and put that in, and if I can find some push rods fast enough, maybe we'll get it fired tomorrow. Maybe I can get it running Monday, something like that. I don't know. I have a few parts ordered for it, like water neck, housing, all that stuff that is in Calgary right now, so a few days away. We'll see how quick we can get this thing running. I mean, we got it farting, popping, as you saw earlier in the video. And I'm really excited for this thing because I really want to get it going and drive this around. This is nostalgic for me. This is my childhood because I grew up with an 85 four-door Brougham and an 87 Salon. And this one is a two-door Brougham special order, and what makes it special is it doesn't have any electric locks or windows. I guess the guy that ordered it didn't want those. But anyway, stay tuned. There'll be more on this car. This is kind of just a short introduction to this vehicle.